I'm going to explain 6 reasons why regular vehicle maintenance is important. Welcome to Every Road Adventures. I'm Nathan, and today I'm going to show you 6 reasons why regular vehicle servicing is important. One, from little things, big things grow. Yeah, I can hear you singing the song. From little things, big things grow. A major benefit of regular vehicle servicing is the ability to find small issues before they become large, expensive repairs. Number 2, get the most out of your fuel. No one really enjoys filling up and spending a whole heap of money on fuel. But it is an integral part of owning and driving a car. But there are a number of factors that influence fuel economy, such as
the air pressure that you have in your tyres, as well as the state of your engine tune with your air filters, fuel filters, etc.
Number 3, staying fit. You don't hear of marathon runners eating pizza after pizza, beer after beer, sitting on the couch watching movies with no exercise. So why can you expect anything more of your car? Vehicle servicing, and regular vehicle servicing at that, is part of your health and fitness plan for your car. Safer cars equals safer roads. If you drive a car, you'll either be driving it to or from work or schooling, doing the school run for your kids, or even going on your own adventures. So keeping safe cars on the road is important for you, your passengers, and other road users. Look after the environment. Over the years, cars have been a major cause of environmental damage due to the nature of the internal combustion engine. The engine in your car creates and releases a number of harmful gases out into the atmosphere, such as particle matter, that's the smoke that you see coming out the exhaust, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and carbon dioxide, just to name a few. Six, gives you confidence and peace of mind. At one point in time, you'll need to go on a road trip, whether it be for business, pleasure, or even an emergency. All of which can come to a grinding halt if your trusty steed breaks down. Imagine how confident you would feel if you knew that your car was unlikely to break down. There are many reasons why regular vehicle servicing is important. It will help to save the environment, keep your car out of the workshop and on the road for your driving pleasure. It will also help to keep you and other road users safe, as well as saving you money. And who doesn't want to save some more money? If you found value in this video, then subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up. Go up here and watch our next video where I discuss the 4 pre-road trip checks you need to be doing for the next road trip.